Living in Miami Gardens means being part of a vibrant and energetic community, but sometimes, that energy can be a little too loud. From busy streets and nearby construction to music, traffic, and outdoor gatherings, unwanted noise can easily disrupt your home's peace. If you've been struggling to find quiet moments inside your home, there's good news. Soundproof door installation can make a big difference. By upgrading to high-quality, professionally installed doors, you can create a calm, peaceful environment where you can relax, work, and rest comfortably, no matter what's happening outside. Here's how soundproof doors can transform your Miami Gardens home into a quieter, more comfortable sanctuary. How soundproof doors work. Soundproof doors are specifically designed to block and absorb sound waves, preventing outside noise from entering and indoor noise from escaping. Unlike standard doors, which often have hollow cores or poor seals, soundproof doors are made with dense, insulated materials and specialized construction to minimize sound transmission. Common features of high-quality soundproof doors include solid core materials such as engineered wood or composite that absorb vibrations, acoustic seals and gaskets around the frame to eliminate air gaps, multi-layer construction that combines insulation and sound dampening barriers, tight weather stripping for both sound and thermal efficiency. These components work together to reduce ambient noise, making your home quieter and more comfortable, whether you live near a busy road or in a lively neighborhood. The benefits of a quieter home environment. Noise pollution doesn't just affect your mood, it impacts your health, productivity, and overall well-being. Studies show that chronic exposure to unwanted noise can lead to stress, fatigue, and even poor sleep quality. By installing soundproof doors, Miami Gardens homeowners can enjoy peaceful sleep free from outside disturbances, improved concentration for remote work or study, enhanced relaxation during family time or movie nights, better privacy since interior sounds stay inside. A quieter home helps restore balance and comfort, creating a space where you can truly unwind and recharge. Energy efficiency and comfort combined. One of the lesser-known advantages of soundproof doors is their ability to improve energy efficiency. The same seals and insulation that block noise also prevent air leaks, keeping cool, conditioned air inside during Miami Gardens' hot summers and blocking heat and humidity from entering. That means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, leading to more consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy bills. In essence, soundproof doors help you achieve both quiet and comfort, a win-win for South Florida living. Choosing the right soundproof door for your home. When selecting a soundproof door, it's important to consider your home's layout, the type of noise you're trying to block, and your style preferences. Popular options include solid core wood or composite entry doors for blocking exterior noise, acoustically sealed sliding patio doors that maintain open views while keeping noise out, sound-rated interior doors for home offices, bedrooms, or media rooms. You can also customize your doors with decorative glass inserts, modern finishes, and durable hardware to match your home's aesthetic. A professional installer can help you choose materials and sound ratings that meet your exact needs, ensuring the perfect blend of performance and design. Why professional installation matters. Even the most advanced soundproof door won't perform effectively without proper installation. Professional installers ensure that the door fits perfectly, the frame is properly insulated, and all seals are airtight. In Miami Gardens, where humidity and temperature fluctuations can affect materials, expert installation prevents warping, gaps, and misalignment that can reduce your door's performance over time. A local professional will also understand how to optimize for both sound control and energy efficiency, ensuring you get the full benefits of your new door system. Enjoy the quiet you deserve. Your home should be your refuge from the outside world, a place where you can relax in peace. With soundproof door installation, Miami Gardens homeowners can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable lifestyle while also improving energy efficiency and property value. Whether you're working from home, raising a family, or simply want a serene retreat from the city's buzz, Upgrading to soundproof doors is an investment in your comfort, health, and well-being. For long-lasting results, partner with a local Miami Gardens door installation expert who understands your community's climate and construction needs. With the right doors and professional installation, you can finally enjoy the calm, quiet home you've always wanted.